How to replace a Human Touch Quies air pump. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably magnetized. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, loosen or remove the 3 screws that secure the shroud to the chair. Remove the shroud from the chair and, if necessary, remove the loose screws from the shroud. Now, remove the 4 screws that secure the air pump to the chair. Next, cut the 3 zip ties that secure the air pump cable and hose to the cable bundles. Then, disconnect the air pump cable connector from the main PCB. Finally, disconnect the hose from the air pump, then remove the pump from the chair. To install the new pump, connect the hose to the pump fitting, then place the pump into position with the hose fitting facing the rear of the chair. Next, connect the air pump cable connector to the main PCB. Now replace the 3 zip ties to secure the cable to the cable bundle. Note that the zip tie closest to the air pump should also secure the hose. Next, replace the 4 screws to secure the air pump to the chair. Cut the excess zip ties. Note the 2 tabs on the front of the shroud and the corresponding slots on the chair. Install the tabs into the slots. Replace the 3 screws to secure the shroud to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.